Hello students, welcome to your electrical drawing video class. Today we are going to discuss about how to draw a circuit diagram, wiring diagram of a DOL starter. Today we will discuss how to draw I will show you by drawing with the help of a video how to draw this wiring diagram of a DOL starter. We have previously draw 3-point starter, 4-point DC motor starter. Now we are going to draw this diagram of a DOL motor starter. As we know, it is the DOL starter is the simple and inexpensive method of starting a squirrel cage induction motor, and as the name implies, it switches the motor directly onto the 3-phase supply. DOL. D stands for direct, O stands for online, L DOL, online. Direct online starter. L is line. D is direct, O is on, L is line starter. As its name implies, it switches the motor directly onto the 3-phase supply. It is the simplest and cheapest method for starting the 3-phase motor. DOL starter is generally used for small rating of motors such as 5 horsepower motors. It is very popular due to its low price. The use of DOL starter is restricted up to smaller rating of motors, as these starters do not limit the starting current. The essential element of the DOL starter includes, we can say, main contactor, protective devices. Let us discuss about the DOL starter in detail. DOL starter connects the motor directly to the supply without reduction in supply voltage and apply full line voltage to 3-phase motor. This is the main, I can say, disadvantage of DOL starter. Direct online starter, or you can say DOL starter, is a 3-phase induction motor contain parts like it contains parts like circuit breakers or protection purpose, overlays, power contact switch, push buttons, stop buttons, fuse, etc. Now we will I will going to show you the diagram and what are the parts involved in this section. Small size of DOL starter is operated manually, but for the large purpose of size, we use operated using mechanical contactor. Electromechanical contactor, that is called your relay or switch button, on or off button. DOL motor starter can be used if high starting current cannot cause an excessive voltage drop in the motor circuit. DOL starters are used in starting the small motors, as I have already said to you, which is compressor, small water pumps, industrial conveyor belts, fans, air curtains, exhaust fan, tower, etc. Besides, the DOL starter draws the starting current. There also exists a current peak that can rise up to 14 times the rated capacity motor. First, then we are going to discuss about DOL starter diagram. This diagram shows the DOL starter connection diagram with the motor. This is the starter and rotor of the motor, and here you can see these are the fuses, running fuses. These are the starting fuses. As I have already told you, the high starting, there are 2 push buttons. Buttons means switches, which is used in DOL motor starter, which is used for the on-off pop-up. Switch of the power supply carried out by electromagnetical contactor, which has 3 to 4 pole. Start button, push button. This is the normally open type push button. To start the motor, the buttons need to be pressed and supply it motor to the power contactor. Push is button is we need to press the stop motor from running condition. This is here you can see this is the running fuses and the starting fuses. These are used at the starting phase, and it is used at the energizing phase. After pressing the stop button, the contactor coil get energized with the operating contacts. Due to this switches operations, motor get disconnected from the supply and supply stops rotating. These are the fuse, and these are the contact switch, double throw, triple pole double throw switch, which contact switch, which is used for the on or off purpose. Next, you can see this is the power supply lines and three phase. This is the phase 1 RYB. Three phases are there. These are all about your DOL starter motor. Students, let us start to draw the diagram of a DOL starter. First of all, you have to know that this is a freehand sketch drawing. We need not to take any dimensions or any scaling this here. Let us start the drawing. In this section, I will drawing the starter and rotor of the DOL starter, of a motor which is connected to the starter. This is the starter winding I am drawing here now. The three sides are connected to the three phase. This is the three phase RYB. Now I am drawing the lines which are to be connected with the switch, and then is connected to the fuse, and then finally it is connected to the lines. In a DOL starter, there are fuse for the safety purpose. If we want to use the relays or circuit breakers, we can use. Here I am drawing the rotor portion of this motor. Next, I am going to draw the switch which has to be connected with the starter, which is used to help the on to connect, to make contact, establish contact between the lines and the starter. These are the 3 points of the switch. Next, we are establishing the contact. Here the switch is in off position. If we use the start button, push button you can say, then it makes contacts and the circuit works. Next, in the other side, I am now going to draw. Next, we will draw the fuses. Fuse are used for the safety purpose, used as a protective device for the circuit. Now I am drawing the fuse. Here you can see the fuse connection is establishing. These are the starting fuse of the starter. In the other side, we will draw same the running fuse, which is used at the running condition, and in the left side we have already drawn the starting fuse. Next, we are going to draw the running fuse, which is ultimately connected to the starter windings, and the switch is making contact. Here I have done the switch fuses connecting with the three phase RYB. Next, we are going to draw the, already we have done the running fuses. Next, we are going to draw, making the connections, or going to draw the lines of the connections or the wirings of the fuses, which is to be connected with the supply lines. Three phase we are drawing three lines which are to be connected with the three phases RYB, namely the RYB. See how I am doing the contacts joining the lines with the supply lines, establishing the wiring diagrams with the supply. We have almost already done the diagram. Here we are making the final connection with the R phase supply lines. I am going to about finish the lines of the diagrams. Here we can see I have already completed the connections. Now we are going to draw the labeling. I have to mention what are the portions or what are the parts indicates. With this, we will conclude our dual starter diagram.